Today, I am going to explore the solar system in Roblox. If you like Roblox or the solar system, subscribe. And it turns out that we're out of Earth's atmosphere. There was someone using the rainbow carpet or the magic carpet. Here we zoom towards Mercury, the hottest planet in the universe. But sadly, don't beat that guy, Venus. Then once we finally land, we soon realize it's just nothing but a wasteland. It has so many craters due to the fact that it's been hit so many times. And everyone knows what happens next. We fly towards Venus. And then we can see its atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, which you breathe out, which plants need, but can be toxic if you inhale it. So here we go into Venus's atmosphere, and then we land on Venus. Here we only find one thing. Whatever that thing is. But we all know what's next. The planet Earth. This is the planet that we live on. And yes, that is its atmosphere. That blue thing, that's supposed to be the sky. And here we land on Earth. And then we zoom out of Earth to land on Mars. And then we zoom out of Earth to land on Mars. And oh yeah, those are the two moons, Phobos and Deimos. So yeah, let's land on them first. Wait, what? No? There? This is surface on Roblox. No, Deimos' surface. Yeah, lame! Anyways, wow. Three things literally crashed into Mars. Weird. But R.I.P. Phobos. Now you may be wondering, why did I say that? But you may be talking to me, why did you say that? Well, sooner in the future, the moon Phobos will be ripped apart and turned into rings. And we land on Jupiter, find the great red spot, which is a storm on Jupiter. So that's why we quickly exit it. And then we fly towards Saturn. Whoa, what the heck? Where am I going? And here is where we land on Saturn. The only planet whose rings are being eaten. Yes, and here we land on Saturn. So yeah, that's its largest moon called Titan. So here we land on Saturn, but there's a big problem. There's a freaking storm! So that's why we zoom away quickly because Saturn has a storm. And you can see the freaking storm from here! Wait, I think I yelled enough. Next up, we're gonna land on Uranus. I don't know if we're far away. It takes light years to go there. So here we land on Uranus. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Why is there blue thing? Don't tell me that's another storm. 'Cause almost every gas giant has a storm. Wait a minute. If you notice, you can see that Uranus is sideways. That is because something might have crashed into Uranus. Again! Wait, that kind of looks like gas. And then here we enter Neptune. The farthest away from the sun. And guess what? There's another freaking storm. And there's no surface to land on too. And then we finally land on Pluto. But in order for me to make sure, we need to see the heart. Yep, that's the heart. Let's land on it. Yes, this is Pluto's surface. Ooh, what's this? Sauron? What? What? Wait a minute. Was this even made in 2006? And the final destination shall be Titan. But there's a problem. It's too far away! So that's why we get closer and closer and closer. Now, here we pass through Pluto, Neptune, and Uranus. And then we should arrive at Saturn again. But instead of landing there because of that stupid giant storm, we need to see what's going on Titan. Okay, we're getting closer. Alright. And wait a minute. I wasn't supposed to orbit Saturn. I'm supposed to orbit Jupiter. Anyways, if you speed this up to 10x speed on KindMaster, you will see the Titan jump scare. And then here we find the full moons and Enquidus. See what's going on there. What the? Huh? Was that always chicken on there? Like, was that always chicken on there? What? There. Yeah. Thank you all for watching.